In this video, we'll learn how to add a customer in Edgetrack. There are several ways to add a customer. You can create one directly from the sales order form or even from the POS. However, in this example, we'll go directly to the Customers table. Open the main menu and navigate to the Customers section. Here you'll see the Customer table. We currently have one customer created from a previous sales order, but now we'll click on Add Customer. In the Basic Information section, you can enter your customer's details starting with the name. Customers can also be assigned to groups, but for now we'll leave it unassigned as we'll cover customer groups in a future video. The Customer is tax-exempt checkbox is used when a customer qualifies for a tax exemption based on local regulations. When enabled, taxes will not be applied to that customer when creating a sales order. You can also fill in the customer's billing and shipping addresses if needed. In the Information section, you can assign a credit limit and define a default discount for the customer when placing orders. Under Additional Information, you'll find a drop-down to assign a sales representative. This is useful if the customer belongs to a specific salesperson. In the Status section, you can activate or deactivate the customer. This determines whether you're allowed to sell to that customer. In upcoming videos, we'll show you how to import all your customers at once from an Excel file to make the process much faster. Thanks for watching.